People go through high streets we know. Dark and light, day and night. No one knows what the future will bring. All or nothing. Gotta mean something when you're misunderstood. Gotta mean something when you're up to no good.
Hello, today from Candidasa area, and this place is called Bukit is called Asah. In a local language I have no idea what it means, but Bukit Asah. Sian, bagus kamu? And that one is Biak Island. That's the place where we dive. There is a small cave at 10 meters depth with the sharks. That's where we usually go. But that place is only diveable on the other side of the island, not from this side what you see. It's diveable only from that side, and only in the case if there is no strong currents and big waves. But it's a good dive site, and with a pretty cold water. Maybe 200 meters to it. Really close. I was pretty lazy with the updates. There have been so many things happening during this couple of months, but I decided to not say anything and simply to wait for bigger news. So finally this bigger news been happening, and what I can announce now is starting today, March 9. Yeah, starting today, March 9. If someone is flying to Bali, straight to Bali, then there is a possibility to enter island with a tourist visa. It's not for free like it was before. You have to pay 500,000 rupiah or $35 US, and you get a stamp or a visa for 1 month. To extend, it's most probably you have to pay the same, and after 2 months then then you have to leave, or you have to make social visa as usually we did before all this mess started. And that's great news actually. Not all countries can enter Bali with this tourist visa. There's only 23 countries. If we're looking at the list, then it's all nearest Asia countries plus Australia plus Europe, some Europe Union countries like Germany, Austria. Latvia is not in that list at the moment. Bali is only exception in this case. But it's a good start, and I'm pretty sure that also the rest of the Indonesia will follow this practice. And by April, as I'm prognosing, the most probably anywhere around Indonesia will be able to enter with a tourist visa. The rest of the countries which are not in the list, they can come to Indonesia as before, but they can enter only through Jakarta. They cannot enter Indonesia through Bali. So they have to go to Jakarta, do 1 day quarantine, and then they can fly to Bali. So it's not like only these 23 countries can come to and visit Bali. They can, but they can only enter through Jakarta with business visas, kitas, and they have to do 1 day quarantine if they have 2 shots. I mean the 2 shots of vaccine. Those who can do this tourist visa, so they don't have to do any quarantine at all, which is great. Finally, we are in that moment when someone doesn't have to do any quarantine. So that means that most of you who've been telling me that they are going to come and visit us in April, you will be able to. And while we're waiting for all of you, we're just roaming around a little bit and trying to visit the places. This particular place, like I said, Bukit Asah, I never been actually. I've been all around. I've been diving there. I've been on White Beach, which is just next door, and you saw it on a video which I just filmed, but I never came here, and I didn't know this place is so good. The previous time, you can check out also that episode where I was hiking in the mountains. I was just simply like 300 meters on the other side of this place, and now finally we did it. Laura said it's a lovely place. She really likes it. I'm going to include again Laura's videos because it's been a while. As I know,
Yeah.
you did dives at the house reef. Is it something different now?
We have giant frogfish in the house reef, black one. Very beautiful.
So why are you so happy? Because giant frogfish, right? So
because usually here we have only small frogfishes which growing until that small ones until 10 centimeters, but this one is quite big and it's really nice. Mostly we have small frogfishes, and this giant is beautiful black one, but it's It's hard to make a video and photo of this black one, but
Not really photogenic, right?
not really photogenic, but it's beautiful to watch him.
Okay.
Like I always so I already did 2 sunset dives, and every time I went there, just say hello. Yeah, it was nice.
That was the news from our house reef and Laura. So enjoy all this episode, enjoy the views from Candidasa, enjoy the views from our house reef underwater world, and be happy and see you soon in Bali. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, because then we become visible, and see you on the next one. Bye.